Mina Protocol is on a run. It more than doubled in the last month. And where did you hear about Mina Protocol first? Of course, on this channel. This is the rally I'm talking about, almost 300% gains in the last few weeks. Now, the first video about Mina Protocol on this channel was on the 26th of October. That was when the token got listed on the Korean exchange Upbit. And that was the reason for this price spike over here. Now, since then, we have more than doubled. Instead of getting hyper technical as in the last video where we did back tests on trading strategies with moving averages, etc., we're going to look at the tokenomics this time. Mina Protocol still mainly gets traded on centralized exchanges. It appears most volume is on Upbit, but there seems to be a data glitch here. Binance and Coinbase and OKX are definitely part of that party as well. Binance even has perpetual futures on them. 236 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours alone. Now, the price appreciation is unlikely coming from retail that's getting excited here. This is the number of Telegram users for the Mina Protocol channel. That's shrinking quite rapidly. And at the same time, the thing that's not shrinking is the circulating supply. The number of circulating Mina tokens increased by 30% in the last year alone. Now, that was past token inflation. Future token inflation doesn't look as bad. This is the unlock schedule. We are currently at 782 million Mina tokens. And 1 year from now, this will be at 878 million. So a bit over 10% additional supply increase in 1 year. That doesn't sound like too much relatively speaking, but still, the market cap is already at 1.7 billion. So there needs to be at least another $170 million worth of capital flowing into Mina for the price just to stay stable. Now, here is what token inflation does. This is Mina relative to Ethereum. Now, not the US dollar price, but the price relative in Ethereum. And this went down top to bottom by 87%. Now, why do I look at relative performance and not at the US dollar price? It's because of the high correlation, right? When Bitcoin goes up, when Ethereum goes up, then a lot of altcoins go up as well, and vice versa. So what we are interested in when getting into altcoins is outperformance, because why else are we taking on this additional risk? You'd only take on more risk if you expect more performance, relatively speaking. And since Ethereum and Mina Protocol, etc., they're all parts of the crypto ecospace and they all move pretty much in tandem with one another, it's very nice to always adjust the altcoin price for Ethereum or for Bitcoin. Now, the price action has shifted since beginning of October. Mina outperformed Ethereum by 210%. This was the centralized exchange listing, and this is our recent rally. Now, why did it go up since beginning of October that much? One central part is probably that the stablecoin market cap is expanding again. This was the Terra Luna collapse, UST depegged. Since then, the stablecoin market caps went down, but since beginning of October of last year, this is turning around. So money is flowing into the centralized exchanges again. They forward the fiat deposits to, for example, Tether, that then creates tokens that we can then see on the chain as an expanding stablecoin supply. We don't just have the supply statistics on the Mina Explorer. We've got all kinds of analytics, but unfortunately not a lot of long-term analytics. All charts I could see in those explorers are only 1 month in length for whatever reason. Here, the number of transactions, maximum length 30 days. Here, the average fee, also just 30 days. I want to see the long-term trajectory here. Is there growth? If you know a website with longer-term charts, maybe the number of wallets, maybe the number of transactions, for a longer time horizon, then please comment this down below, because then the whole community can benefit from that. Right now, it looks like Mina Protocol is benefiting from the overall expanding crypto ecosystem and of course from increased altcoin speculation. The stablecoin market caps are going up, and so especially heavily controlled altcoins that are strongly in the grips of centralized exchanges can have more erratic movements. We talked about Mina early on this channel. If you want to be early next time, feel free to subscribe because I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.